Side to side. Up. Keep the wrist control. Go, back up. Let's go. Gotta do it again, Jesse. Come on. Mule kick. Mule kick. Get that leg out. Head up, Jesse. Go, buddy. Get that wrist free. You gotta get the wrist free. Get that wrist out. Flick it out. Head up, Jesse. Jesse, head up. Head up. Jesse, you didn't do anything. You just put your head down. Keep your head up. Neutral, Jesse. Best position. Let's go, buddy. Two hands on it, 2 hands. Come up to your feet, Jesse. Up, 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 up. Let's go. Stretch, stretch. Let's go. Stretch. Get that foot down. Put the foot down. Jesse, when he pulls that foot up, you got to put it down. Let's go. Come on. Get that foot down. Come on, Jesse. Head up. Let's go. Let's work. Improve your position. Get your head up, Jesse. Let's go. Come on, Jesse. Good. Foot down, sit back, foot down. Sit back, get that foot down. Up, 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 up. Sit back, get that foot down. Now let's work up, come on. Keep that foot down, sit back, Jesse. Sit back, get your head up. Come on, Jesse, keep working. Let's go, Jesse, base up. Keep the leg down, Jesse. Jesse, sit back so he can't pull it out. Sit back on your butt, okay? Sit back on that foot. Rotate it, that's it, now go. Hips away, hips high. Let's go. Up again, you gotta do it again. Just keep your head up. Let's go, let's work. Get your wrist free. You gotta get that wrist free. Jesse, what I mean by sit back is this. Just sit back. Get all your weight back on it, okay? Let's go. Jesse, Jesse, Jesse. That's it, lock it. Get to your belly. That's exactly why I wanted him to go neutral. Get to your belly. Get to your belly. Come on, Jesse, go!